Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice math problem, which is 4 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 1, subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the same thing as 1234. So what is the solution to this? Let's provide a solution from here. So we have 4 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 1, subtract 1234. So we have from here 2 to the power of 1. This is the same thing as 2. So therefore, here we have 4 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 2. Then subtract 1234. Again, we have from here 3 to the power of 2. This is 3 to the power of 2. This is the same thing as 3 squared, which is 9. So we can substitute 9 so that we have 4 to the power of 9 minus 1234. Now, this implies that here we can express 4 to the power of 9 as 4 is 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 9, subtract 1234. So 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 9, this is in the form of a to the power of n raised to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n times m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 2 to the power of 2 times 9, subtract 1234. So this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 2 times 9, which is 18, minus 1234. So we can express 2 to the power of 18. This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 8 plus 10. Then subtract 1234. So 2 to the power of 8 plus 10, this is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, we have 2 to the power of 8 times 2 to the power of 10 minus 1234. Now, we have that 2 to the power of 8, this is the same thing as 256. And we have 2 to the power of 10, this is the same thing as 1024. So here we have 256 multiplied by 1024, then subtract 1234. Now, the next step from here, this is the same thing as 256 multiplied by 1024, which is 1000 plus 24. This is 24 is the same thing as 20 plus 4. Cross the parentheses, then subtract 1034. Now, let's open the parentheses here. We have 256 times 1000. So this is 256,000. Then we have plus 256 times 20. So we have 256 multiplied by 20. So 0 here. 6 times 2, this is 12. Carry 1 here. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1. This is 11. Carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. This is 51. 20. Then 256 times, we have 256 times 4. And this is 1024. Then subtract 1234. Now this means we have 256,000. We have plus 51. This is 5120. Then plus 1024. So this is 0 plus 4, this is 4. Then we have 2 plus 2, this is 4. This is 1. Then 6 plus 5 plus 1, this is 12. To carry 1 here. So 5 plus 1, this is 6. Then we have 262,144. Subtract 1,234. So let's subtract this so that now this is 4 minus 4. This is equal to 0. Then we have 4 minus 3. This is 1. Then this is 11 minus 2. This is 9. Then here we have 10 minus 1. This is 9. Then this is 5. Then 2. So we have the solution here as 259,910. So this is the solution to this math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.